Hello everybody, Darmander25 here. Welcome back to another little video, and today I'm inside of a game called Monkey Blocks. If you don't know what this is, it's basically Gorilla Tag plus Minecraft, but more with Minecraft building than anything. So if I come over here, I can just build with grass and stuff. Also, there's a lot of free stuff that you can get in this, and then some stuff that you can't get unless you're in the Discord. So if you come over here, all of this stuff you can get for free. This one you need to become a beta tester for. This one you just need to leave a review. Different lobby. Oh, never mind. Seems like I'm still in a private. But this is the shop right here where you can just buy everything you need. These are your coins. It will ask you this because this game has a lot of scammers. They'll ask you if you want to do a duplication glitch or anything. Don't agree to it. They're just trying to take the bag. Because if, let's say you grab the bag, you drop it like they ask, they'll instantly take it like that, put it here, and they'll have your 500 coins that you just dropped. But as I was saying, up here, this is where you get a bunch of exclusive skins. This skin is for content creator. And then there's another skin which isn't showing up in here anymore, but it was like this YouTube robot thing that you could also only get from having content creator. There's also this crown thing which you don't get anything for, it's just for fun. All of the different blocks. Also, this sword right here, you have to join the Discord for, and you'll get a code. This, you type in the promo code. For that skin, I'll type in the promo code and show you guys. It will already say I've redeemed it, because I have. And I'll also give you another promo code. So, for that Devil Lemur, it's HALLLEM. And then just press submit. We'll do that. It will say, like, you've been granted this. And then if you type in basically the same thing, except replace the first 3 letters with win, and then LEM, press submit, it will give you this skin right here. This skin you have for free as always. It's the skin you start off as. This skin review, this skin beta tester, this one you buy. You can buy a bunch of gadgets and stuff, such as the web shooter. And this game is a little bit more inspired by Roblox for the crown chase thing. Build zone, this is where you get to build everything you want. Just make sure as you're building, if you don't want anybody to grief it, you'll obviously start with this on your arm, but take this out and throw it down. Now it should put this whole entire cube around, and then you can just go ahead and start building whatever you want. Where is the lava? There it is. You can put lava, you could put some water as well. put water here. And also here. And here. And here. Here. And here. Now you could put the water on top of the lava, but that doesn't really do anything. I wish it would turn into obsidian, but it doesn't. Because if I just put lava like that, nothing really happens. You can swim in it, you don't take damage here. The only place you will take damage is inside of... No, not inside of speedrun. Oh yeah, speedrun, and also tower defense, which is over there. Which it's just like a zombie game. Give me one sec. HGI. But when you go in here, everything that you can use for your advantage gets disabled. Then you gotta run through all this. Make sure your head goes through each and every single one of these. And you'll get a little time every time you go through one. Now I'm gonna put this into 4x speed so you don't have to wait through all this. And I'll put it into normal speed once. Yeah, too. Thingy, the time. Because I don't want to have you guys watch this more than one. Yeah. So right here is where I'll put it into 4x speed. It's very difficult to swim. Let's go. Wait. Alright. There. Yeah. I said that was all gonna be in 4x speed, so then you guys didn't have to wait through that all forever. Right here is where you find your little quests and stuff. If you go here, this is your daily. If you go here, you can invite 100 friends. Or, yeah, 100 friends gives you 1,000. But that's basically it. See you all in the next video. Have a great day or night. Bye.